Hi, I wanted to go over the syllabus with you for Math 120, Fundamentals of College Math. So this is for the online class here. So again, I guess my name is Jeff Downs. Hope you know it already. My email is jeffrey.downs@wnc.edu. You can go to my college webpage, which is www.wnc.edu/Downs. My office is at the Fallon campus. It's Pinion F1. And the phone number there is 423-7988, extension 2251. If you're calling from Carson, you may have to dial 775 Carson or Reno. Office hours I have in Fallon are Tuesday, Thursday, 12:15 to 2 p.m. and Friday from 11:30 a.m. till 1 p.m. or by appointment. For this class, the prerequisites: Math 96 or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better or equivalent. Course description: this offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation, functions, relations and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets and logic. Course objectives: this course is a broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics. So we cover basically kind of three areas. Probability and statistics, that's a big part. Business, finance, consumer mathematics, and then we also cover logic and sets. This is a 3-credit course. Transferability within Nevada schools: this course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education depending on the degree chosen and the course is completed. It may transfer to colleges and universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. The linkage to the college mission: provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically, and apply computational skills. So the book for this class is A Survey of Mathematics with Applications, 9th edition by Angel, Abbott, and Rund. You have two options. You can get the book with the My Math Lab access, and the ISBN is here. Or you can just get the My Math Lab access only and use the online book. Regardless, you need to work in My Math Lab because that is where the homework is done and the midterm and final are done. Okay, so applies for the class. You need your textbook, either paper or an online version. Calculator: now it's your call on the calculator you're going to use. You can use a TI 83, 84, 89. I like all those. You can also get by with a TI 30 X2S. I've used those. They're great machines as well. I'm not as familiar with other brands, but these are the type I like. I'll be using a TI 89 mostly. Grading scale: A, B, C, D, F, so pretty standard there. Grade breakdown: midterm. There's one midterm of 200 points each. 10 quizzes, 10 points each. Actually 11 quizzes, but I dropped the lowest quiz. Homework: 4 chapters at 50 points each for 200 points. Discussions: 10 postings at 10 points each for 100 points. You could do more than 10 postings, but the max you can get is 100 points there. And the one final at 200 points, so a total of 800 points. Midterm: there'll be a midterm, which is due October 15th, 2013. The midterm will be conducted in My Math Lab. The midterm will cover chapters 11 and 12. There'll be no makeup for missed midterm. Quizzes: there'll be 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will be counted for the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points for the grade. If a quiz is missed, it will receive a score of 0. The quizzes are all in Canvas, and Canvas is the learning management system we use. Homework: there'll be 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each assignment is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through My Math Lab. To access the site, go to Pearson, My Lab, and mastering.com. I just do mymathlab.com and get there. And use the ID Downs73744. So I don't want anything late. Discussions: you must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive and not simply say, "I agree." You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer a question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. Final exam is due December 10th, 2013. You will complete the final exam in my math lab. Final exam will cover chapters 13 and 3. Attendance. So this is an online class. There's not really any attendance except you're expected to keep up on a regular basis. Just keep up with the pace of the class. So students are not required to attend the weekly meetings. We'll have weekly live chat sessions where I can answer questions. A discussion grade is determined by the number of substantive postings on the discussion boards in not Moodle, it's Canvas. I found a typo. Anyway, Canvas. I will be checking posts in the introduction, homework, discussions, and math jokes. Ethics statement: no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. When attending the optional non-mandatory live sessions, please be polite and mute your microphone when not speaking. Background noise and echoes are distracting and interfere with the meeting. Early alert. Please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison, the director of our division. There's his email address. Disability statement: if you have a disability for which you will need to request accommodations, please contact Susan Trist, coordinator of disability support services. There's her number, there's her email address, as soon as possible to arrange for appropriate accommodations. Here's a list of important dates, a couple things. Last day to drop the class is October 28th. So we also have a holiday on November 11th. Thanksgiving, final exam, so take a look at that. And here's our schedule of things, a tentative schedule. If we have to move some due dates, we will. But we start with Chapter 11, do the Chapter 11 material, then Chapter 11 is due here. Then Chapter 12, then it's due there. Then 13, 13 is due there. And then 3. And so notice the midterm here. And the final exam down here. Okay. Well, I look forward to the semester, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.